Welcome back to another adventure. This time I'm in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, and I'm hiking one of the most iconic and intense trails in the city, the Pedra da Gávea. Grab your hiking shoes and come along for the ride. It's early morning in Rio. I take a taxi and meet my group at the trailhead. The air is thick and humid, but the weather is perfect for a hike. As we start, we pass signs marking the trail and check in with park security. Pedra da Gávea is part of the Tijuca National Park, and once you enter it, you're in it. It's just wild jungle, towering trees, birds echoing through the canopy. I am just so excited. I start speed walking and I get ahead of the group. And before you know it, it feels like the entire trail is just to myself. After enjoying the shaded, easy start to the trail, I paused to wait for the rest of the group and our guide before heading into the more technical sections. We reach our first challenge, a steep, rocky section with a fixed chain to help pull yourself up. Just past that, we come across a fresh stream of running water, the perfect spot to splash our faces and cool off. As we continue, the jungle starts to thin, and we reach a small clearing. Through the trees, we get our first real reward, just a stunning ridgeline view looking over Rio and the coastline below. Our group gathers at the base of the scramble, a massive rock wall known as Casqueira. This is the most difficult section of the entire hike. The rock is steep, exposed, and there's not really a trail, just handholds and footholds. Our guide shows us the safest line, and one by one we start to climb. It's part rock climbing and part hiking and just overall fun to me. After making it through the first scramble, we take a quick breather and gear up with the harness for the final push. This section isn't long, but it's steep and exposed. Safety gear is a must. Clipped into a fixed rope, we carefully climb the final rock face just below the summit. The wind starts to pick up, the trees start to vanish, and suddenly it feels like we're on top of the world. We go through one more section with deep roots, super steep, and then with every step the view starts to expand. And just like that, we reach the summit of the Pedra da Gávea. freaking sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Made it to the top. Well, that was the Instagram view. Now we're actually heading towards the top. A little bit by myself right now. I mean, I can see the general direction. It shouldn't be that difficult. Met some cool people on this hike. Sweet. Let's make it to the top, get some shade. Woo!
Oh, the guys are going to the shade. One guy leaves the backpack over there. Yay.
After soaking in the panoramic views from the summit, we head back down. The descent always feels faster, and we're making good time until we hit the log jam at the scramble section. Everyone is taking turns rappelling down with the rope, and now it's my turn. Our guide calmly sets up the rope, checks my harness, and talks me through the process. With a deep breath, I lean back and feel more confident in the rope.
Enquanto a pessoa não estiver no
One foot.
morreu, se machucar sério,
Aqui
na frente, ah, vai cair sem ralar, deixa cair sem ralar.
Lean back. This is on brake. Grab on it. Grab on the rope. Yeah. Like this to untie. Oh, stay here. Admit. This is the slide down. Oh, slide down with this hand. Now on the knot.
Forçado, se fudeu, beleza, eu tenho dó, tem bastante empatia.
Slide down the
Agora,
hand.
cara, o maluco chegou, olhou a pilha,
More.
três paradas.
Slide down the yellow one.
Eu não quero que ninguém me ajude, não, eu quero tomar no caminhão.
And here.
Lá de bundão,
Tá bom, só pra saber, só puxa lá pra jogar dois. Hey, come. No, you're not. Like the gym. Stay calm.
Eu só vou esperar.
Equipment have to stay with you. Lean back, lean back, lean back, lean back, lean back. Now,
Vou tirar minha força da
relax.
Oh.
The other one.
Não, Thiago, olha aqui.
Both hands. You don't need hand. You need
Obrigado.
trust. Yeah, the GoPro guy.
Sim, obrigado, amigo.
Change your hand. Oh, the camera in the other hand. You can do this.
Just as I get ready to make my descent, the guide hooks up a second person to my rope and tells me I'm in control of both of our descents. I tighten my grip on the rope and begin guiding us down the face of the rock. Slowly moving inch by inch, my hand and this little small rope along the big rope that's holding both of us up. Step by step and inch by inch, we make our way down the scramble. And finally, we hit solid ground and let out a huge sigh of relief.
Tô segurando pra não cair só, relaxa. Calma, cara.
Wow!
Wow,
Excelente!
Tá doido, cara?
Então, mas aí ele tá falando pra não mexer.
Não, da corda.
Ele já usou a corda, ele já desceu.
Ah,
Now it's time to finish the hike, and a few steps down the trail, boom, we spot a massive earthworm right in the middle of our path. We continue to make our way down, and we're treated to the cool shade and the sounds of the jungle. Among the forest, we see papaya growing on the trees and monkeys running around the forest, probably looking for something to eat. After a long and sweaty descent, we finally make it back to the trailhead with the concession stand. We decide to buy some fresh coconuts to enjoy after the trip. Nothing tasted so good, they were ice cold, and it was a great way to end the hike. I'd love to give a shout out to David Tours for excellent service on my trip. They did absolutely great. I'd also like to thank my friend Ricardo for recommending this specific hike and helping connect me with the service. Rio is an absolutely beautiful city and I can't wait to go back. If you like this, feel free to check out my page with tons of other cool adventures.